I'm here with the fox. How about that?
With a light. Oh, he jumped off! Yeah, man. Oh, they're still going for it. Let's go. That's good. That's good.
Come and get it.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, man. Alright, I need to recast that. Came in too quickly. This is tips.
And cast it out there, big fella.
What do I get stuck on now?
Grass.
We're all good, boys. The fish are coming. We're all good. I see carp coming.
I see mullet coming.
That'd be amazing if carp caught it.
Just barely see him.
Ooh. Ooh.
That one?
No.
No.
I'm just pulling the shit out of it. Come on. I'm praying to God.
G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Struck Daniel FTW. At the moment we are fishing, which I found a stick and some line, a float and a hook. And Daniel had breakfast, but we're using that as bait. So we're here to go looking for red-beaded black snakes, maybe frogs, because the weather is not looking too good. And yeah.
Look at that!
Well, how about that? You actually did it.
I proved you wrong. You got the line here, got the
Line.
hook there, and where's my
And the
stick?
stick behind that log there.
There's our fishing rod. And we caught a fish. Oh!
Bunch of
And we just got swooped by some sort of bird.
yeah, hang on. Faces all the way. I'll get the photo.